Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this Easter egg bunny kit. I'm going to go in first with my light gray that's provided, and I'm going to base coat him using a number 12 flat, which will be the largest brush in your packet. Everything you need to complete these paint kits is in your package. You're going to have the pack of 10 brushes, the paint needed, your cutout, and a Sharpie marker to outline. So very easy, and these can be purchased online at buildacross.com. Also, if you guys are interested in watching more of our videos, you can catch us live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 a.m. Central Time on our Facebook page. Once I'm done outlining him, I'm just going to rinse that brush off and dry it with a paper towel. I like to keep baby wipes or water and paper towels around so I can continue to reuse my brushes. And I'm going to go in again with the same brush in my lavender color and paint my egg. And you guys, don't worry too much if you get outside the lines, because whenever we outline, we'll clean up all of that. So it really won't matter. The most important thing is that you have fun and don't overthink these. And next I'm going to go in with my soft pink that's provided, and I'm going to use that to base coat his nose and also the insides of his ears. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of white, and I'm going to use that to base coat the area around his mouth and also his little tooth. And once I'm done with that, I will be finished with my base coating, so I'll allow everything plenty of time to dry. Once everything's dry, I'm going to swap my brush for my marker, and I'm going to outline everything. So this step is super easy because I'm just following the lines that are etched into the cutout for me. And then you guys, once I'm done outlining everything, I'm going to swap my Sharpie brushstroke marker for a paintbrush. I'll be using a number 4 round and some white paint, and I'm just going to highlight everything. This softens and brightens my look and just finishes it all for me. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.